Hey everybody, it's Bryan again with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to extend the free trial period that Squarespace gives you. It initially is just 2 weeks, but at the end of that 2 weeks, they will email you and ask if you would like to extend your trial. And the first way that you can extend the trial is by replying. We're not replying to the email, but by clicking the button in the email that says yes, you would like to extend the trial on the website. The second way would be to just take the initiative and email Squarespace yourself. So if you lose that email that they send you, you don't get it, it goes to your spam folder, whatever. For whatever reason, you don't have that email to be able to just click the button in it, you can email them yourself. And then the third way is what I'm going to show you today, which is an easy URL trick that you can use. But before we get into that, probably one of the most effective and most efficient ways to handle this problem would be to become a circle member if possible. So to be a Squarespace circle member, you have to be a manager or a contributor on 3 active websites on Squarespace. So if you don't have that many websites, you could do things like ask others to invite you to be a contributor on their website. And in that way, it will, how this helps with this situation is that with Squarespace Circle membership, you get 6 months of a free trial. So it takes a lot of the pressure off. There's a big difference between 2 weeks and 6 months. So the other things you get with Squarespace Circle membership are you can get 20% off of your first year of your subscription for your Squarespace site, 20% off the first year of like email campaigns. But then, like I said, the biggest thing, at least for me, is I like the 6 months to take a little bit of the pressure off of, because there's so much of a difference between the 2 weeks and 6 months. So having said all that, let's get into the easy URL trick that I'm going to show you. And let's jump over to the screen. So we're here in my Squarespace dashboard, and you can see I've got there's my website, and this is a demo website that I use for a lot of different things. And then this is a website that I built for a school nearby. That this is actually just the copy of their website that I keep just in case anything happens to the live version of their website. But you can see that the website trial has expired for this site. So all you're going to do is you go into your website, and you see the URL that you have here. It has config at the end. You're going to want to keep that. And then at the end of that, you're just going to type in extend trial and then click return or enter. And you see your trial has been successfully extended back to your website. And now you have the ability to edit on this site. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.